Kurumjari, a very good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines first. CLP leader Okrami Bobi calls out on the Manipur government for not holding regular assembly sessions, alleges violation of Article 174 of Indian Constitution. MPCC President K. Megachandra says peace can be achieved through mutual understanding and not through force, expresses confidence of Congress coming to power in next election. National Commission for Women seeks a status report from state government on Jiribam killing. Amuko says those standing against unity may leave Manipur, but not a single inch of land will be conceded to them. And Manipur sails into the final of Senior Women National Football Championship for the record 27 times, sets up final clash with Odisha on Monday. Now, the top stories. With no sign for a winter session of State Assembly, CLP leader Okrami Bobi has accused the state government of violating Article 174 of Indian Constitution, which ensures holding of regular assembly sessions. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Okrami Bobi said he was anticipating a winter session. However, the year coming to an end in few days, the possibility of holding the assembly session is deemed at the moment, resulting to violation of Article 174 of Indian Constitution and Rule number 17A of Rule of Procedure Conduct of Business. While maintaining that Chief Minister can still make efforts to have the winter session, Okrami Bobi said memoranda have been submitted to Manipur Governor, Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly and Chief Minister, apprising about the situation. The Congress leader further questioned the existence of a democratic form of government in the state with the legislature as the government continues to violate democratic norms. MPCC President K. Megachandra, Suknu MLA K. Ranjit, Kundrakpam MLA T. H. Lokeshwar and other Congress leaders attended the press conference today.
Samvidhana state to the Piriba, Togam Topa, Tabak Matausing Hivatare, Mashi Amata, Ilaga Chataba, Towing with the Toba, Parliament session Zoo Duga, Tate, State session, the law in winter session, the law in Ayambana. Hamnabani the Koi Manipurgidi, Hamnana was someone to Tobide, Aduga, Hamnanabagi prepared to Ude, calendar year till Loigadorel. Aduna Mashi Manipur, the Huzik Lariba government say, Baraki Constitution Piriba provision Mayam Singh law in a violate Tore, a democratically elected government say. Lairibra, Laitrabra, Mashi democratically elected Laitragadi, dictator Gisasan, Taudnatum Satan, Lairabra, I be say. A opposition side take question Taujari, Sakari Togum Tokumato, Dorokta Bataragadi, a Tumina, silent spectator, donor Laibidi, a Laibayaroi.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Megachandra today asserted that peace can be achieved only through mutual understanding and not through force. Megachandra said this during an interaction program for District Congress Committee, which was held at Limco Inn at Chandel District today. Speaking further in the program, K. Megachandra expressed concern over the threat posed by the ongoing crisis. While maintaining that the crisis needs a mutual understanding and dialogue, Megachandra said the conflict has created hardships for people in every district of the state. Seeing the way the present BJP government has handled the crisis, it has become evident that BJP will be ousted in the next election and Congress will be back in power in the next election.
Government na ngasi aikoi parja singi adusu granting aids free the people paisa aikoi gi parja degi tax lokhale parja section khudimak tagi pot leibada shampoo leibada sapon leibada asa pot leibada thau leibada tax lokhibu mayam dugi aikoi gi sharing amu center government piri madugi pire iba paisa do madu granting aid free the pire adugi paisa do aikoi da 15 finance commission na thousands crore phangada bu housing 500 crores pidri then it is the violation of this constitution seeing the sasi kungrang the sasi but where is gone our fund aikoi gi fund di crisis krige aikoi gi 15 finance commission na praja gi damak ta sandel praja gi damak ta piba paisa du di kari gi pibi te why sahi bari aikoi gi paisa pham tokpa aikoi gi drain sem na ba aikoi gi benefit yum sana na ba aikoi gi Like same nanaba, I could get toilet same nanaba, I could get lady agriculture get talking hang packet nanaba, EDC through the people Pashama and the why they are not giving, they are not releasing the fund for the last 4 years.
National Commission for Women has issued a directive to the state government to submit a detailed report regarding the tragic deaths of 3 women and 3 children, including an 8-month-old infant who were killed by Kuki militants in Jiribam on November 11th. Following a complaint lodged by National Secretary of the Republican Party of India, RPI Atwale, Maheshwar Thangnautam, to Commission Joint Secretary of the National Commission for Women, A. Ashwali Shalai, has sent a written letter to Manipur's Chief Secretary, Vineet Joshi, and the DGP Rajiv Singh yesterday, instructing them to provide the requested report within 10 days. The Commission's letter emphasizes its legal mandate under Section 10 of the National Commission for Women Act 1990, which grants the Commission the authority to safeguard the rights and ensure justice for women and children. The Jiribam massacre is a grievous violation of these rights and constitutes a severe crime against women and children that demands immediate attention. As an apex statutory body, the National Commission for Women is committed to ensuring the protection of women's rights, securing justice for the victims' families, and ensuring that those responsible for the heinous acts face appropriate legal consequences. The Commission further urged the state government to take swift action to uphold the rights of women and children in the context of the ongoing challenges in the state and directed Chief Secretary and DGP to provide a report detailing the measures taken to ensure justice for the victims within the prescribed 10-day period. President of Amuko, P.H. Nando Luang, asserted that individuals who harbor animosity towards unity are free to leave Manipur. However, they are not entitled to take even a single inch of the land. He made the statement while attending the 3rd Foundation Day of All Kwakta Youths Voluntary Organization held today at Kwakta Bazaar Multipurpose Community Hall. Working President Yungkai Mayum Hayatur Rahman, President of All Kwakta Youths Voluntary Organization, Merai Mayum Salamat Ali, and President of United Clubs Organization of Bishnupur District, W. Basanta, among others, attended the event. Speaking in the event, P.H. Nando Luang called for peaceful coexistence among the diverse communities of the state. He pointed out that despite the Meitei community's consistent call for peaceful coexistence, the central government has been pursuing various agendas that threaten the harmonious living of the community. He appealed to the public to remain vigilant and not to be swayed by the central government's divisive agendas.
Mai mai sih mau kita tu jadi macam kami orang pun kita Manipur pun punya apa pun nak kerja. Kuni ni kalau apa kamu tu, macam saya kisah. Tu pun tu boleh sekian macam dapat Manipur kita mesti tu boleh dia apa yang si, apa kamu pun apa yang kalau orang kau ni kan, dia ni dia kau pilih apa ni. Aduh, apa pun ni nasi, pun ni apa pun nasi, pun ni pilih nasi.
Federation of Civil Societies Organization FOX Manipur has urged both central and state government to clarify on its stand regarding the Manipur violence as it continues to make contradictory claims on the causes of this conflict. In the press release, FOX expressed that the public are confused and frustrated on central leaders for making contradictory remarks since the conflict started. The organization further expressed disappointment over the Union Home Minister for stating that the conflict is an ethnic clash in an interview on India Today, while highlighting that the minister had earlier made two different remarks about the origin of the conflict. Folks maintain that these kind of contradictory remarks by leaders of both governments confuse and irritate the public. Folks also urged both the government to implement NRC in the state to deport illegal immigrants and to resolve the ongoing conflict. World Meeting Council WMC organized its 5th plenary session at Hotel Elegance of Moirang, Oksongbom today. The session was organized under the theme of Resolution of Meitei People across the world for the future. WMC Vice Chairman, Central Executive Committee Hemam Boyai, WMC Manipur Unit President Y. Shyam, UMC Spokesperson and Assam Unit President Navakishore Yumnam, Salai Kanbaluf Chairman L. Gopal, WMC Manipur Unit VP Khaidem Ratan and WMC Manipur Unit VP PH Basanta attended the session. Speaking to media, Assam Unit President and UMC spokesperson Navakishore Yumnam highlighted that the session was organized for the unity of Meitei people across the world and to take a resolution for future generation. He further emphasized that Meitei people need to unify as the current government lacks a stern resolution to safeguard the community. The attendees observed a 2-minute silence for the victims who have lost their lives during the ongoing conflict.
Meitei ngasi yamna ekoi khudong thiningai 2023 amasung hojik 2024 lesilakadore aduga asigi tangkat asida ekoi gi leriba piyam asi yamna khudong thiningai oiba amasung hayeng kari oirakadogi haiba asiguba ekoi gi thamoi yamna aidi nungai taba nunangba amasung akiba kokna leibu matang sida ekoi gi government gi maigai dagi hojik subhawada yamna clear oiba ekoi meitei si kannabagi asuma udabasida koina ekoi meitei asi yarima kai ekoi punsin si haiba asigumba message asi World Meeting Council dagi listening.
Bengi Mairapaibi staged a protest at Bengi Playground today, condemning the killing of a village volunteer and arrest of 6 village volunteers during an alleged gun battle with Manipur Police Commando at Salungphang in Thoubal district on December 14. Speaking to media, a Mairapaibi member condemned the Salungphang incident and said that village volunteers have been defending the villages from Kuki militants' attack. She also demanded for the removal of SPA and the unconditional release of the 6 arrested village volunteers.
Salungbamda ngakpa amapuna hatokpiraga tarukpuna phagiba adugi damak aikhoina rana phamjabani ngakpa jingdo condition amta yaudana thadokpiro athuba matamda I masel hana biganu apaspa khudakta longthokpiu aikhoi nungaina ingna singna leiba pami aikhoi gi manipur se I masel hana dana loiba tare kuki giti sap manaraga asaw asang loina ba manaraga amatawoina tawi maitai giti aikhoi masel onjanaraga hatokna dana minungsi karin te yengna dana leibase I masel hatokna ba khudakta lepiu.
Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, accused the central government of conspiring against the Meitei community while also urging the government to end the alleged proxy war against the community. In the press release, Kokomi alleged that the central government has conspired with Kuki militants to wage war against Meitei community while citing a social media post of a Kuki militant leader to substantiate its claim. The organization urged both the central and the state government to take swift action against Kuki militants. Kokomi further demanded the government to conduct military crackdown against the Kuki militants to remove Chin Kuki narco-terrorists from the state. They also demanded the implementation of NRC in the state to root out illegal immigrants and for withdrawal of APSPA from the Valley region. Kokomi further appealed to the government to secure the national highways in order to ensure free movement by the public. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the 72nd plenary session of the North Eastern Council NEC at Prajna Bhavan in Tripura's capital today. Development of North Eastern Region Donor Minister Jyoti Aditya Scindia, along with governors, chief ministers of all the 8 northeastern states, including Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane, and other senior officials attended the session. Speaking to reporters, Donor Minister Jyoti Aditya Scindia said there will be intense deliberation on the future roadmap for the region, besides reviewing progress of the Council's work for this year. The session will also likely feature discussion on palm oil cultivation, international border management with Myanmar and Bangladesh, infrastructure development, electrification, and on the suggestions and demands of northeastern states. The Council is the nodal agency for the economic and social development of the northeastern region, consisting of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. Commissioner of Home for Manipur Government N. Ashok Kumar in his first visit assessed law and order situation and security measures in Thoubal district today. During a security review meeting held at Deputy Commissioner's Conference Hall in Thoubal, Deputy Commissioner Ahantem Shubhas and Superintendent of Police Rakesh Balwan presented a detailed report on the district's situation to the Commissioner. The Commissioner advised both the Central Security Forces and the State Police to play a pivotal role in maintaining law and order in the district. During his visit, he also interacted with internally displaced persons who are taking shelter at the relief center set up at Rice Research Station in Kangabok. He also toured the tailoring skill and marketing project, which has been initiated for displaced people from Suknu and Sero who are currently residing at the relief camp. The project was funded by Lal Bahadur Sastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, and jointly implemented by District Administration of Thoubal and Boho, Manipur. Police officers from district, along with officers from Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF, and other officials attended the security review meeting. Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the anthropogenic destruction of environment has resulted to detrimental climate crisis. The minister was speaking in the 5th Foundation Day observance for Media Resource Center of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, which was held at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Speaking further, Minister Thongam Biswajit said the efforts to bring development have come at the cost of depletion and destruction of environment, and as a result, humans have to pay the price. While emphasizing on the need to work together to tackle the challenges posed by climate change, Minister Biswajit said any solution will be a huge boon to the rest of the world. While condemning the work of Media Resource Center in providing awareness about climate change and environment conservation, Minister Biswajit said media has a big role to play in educating the masses and in involving them in the fight against climate change. A short video highlighting the works of Media Resource Center was showcased during the program, followed by presentation of memento to media firms and media fellows.
One platform is under forest. Forest is a very important dog in the community. I use the label to show Yalagi, Mother Forest of Havia. Neogi Matuka Masai Yan Yadabra, communicate or Yammer, which is random never to visit. We don't have a gun time, the kind of put up some jelly, I couldn't climate change getting a pumche. Kara yang tap kadran kan. Jadi awal tu tinggal kan ada sisi the planet sih dah ada habis itu tinggal middle ni. Apa amat lagi kian tak tu ni directly itu sunnah ni sisi proses. Ada mana pun kata harga atau apa bahaya yang ada tu waktu musuh kan musuh. Northern state aku ni tos biar juga ya ada bahaya lagi ya itu India ki policy nation ki policy world ki policy aku dah apa model lama. Actually tu bang nama di matu ki model do everywhere in the world they will try to adopt it. The problem with the talking is the sustainable way of life.
That's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Morning and evening OPD consultation. Miyamda affordable quality healthcare thanghanabagi pandamda ayuk pung mapandagi taramathoi amasung nungthil pung amadagi ahum phawba tongan ba specialty taranithoi free OPD consultation 16 December 2024 dagi hauzare akupa marol Caesar Hospitals Langol dagi khangbiba yagani.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy has highlighted the significance of Shumang Lila in the society, calling the art form as a mirror for future generations. Commissioner M. Joy was speaking while attending the inaugural function of 3-day seminar on Shumang Lila, which is being organized by Manipur State Kala Academy at T.H. Iboyaima Shumang Lila Shanglin in Palace Compound today. Speaking further in the program, Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy said a Shumang Lila provides multiple interpretation just like a painting. It ignites thoughts and also evokes the conscience of public. He further asserted on the need to safeguard this form of theatre in its truest essence as it holds both cultural and traditional significance. Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Y. Rajendra, along with other eminent persons, attended the program.
Sagili zariba custom, sagili riba tradition, sagi culture, khara makti edamak nga aga thamanjaningi. Aduna nga sigi nainagadoriba tongan ba session da nainagadoriba topic sing asi yengbo matamda yamna nungaijaba phauzai maramdi thawai hakchang yauna kathoktana ticket pidana research tawdana adagi artist mayam yawbirbo mayam sina khangba mayam adu khanna nenaraga seminar ona tawakana topic sing asigi moderator haptana khanaba asida soi soidana manglaji kamaina horkhibano magi itihas kamaina lakhibano aduga magi tradition gi value no karino adagi magi custom gi kongaiba makeup gi design gi leiribo mayam sing asi nenara kanda khangriba kangu dasu tongan bo mahaw mo pibi gani adu khangau matamda tungda lakadoriba generation singna sumangla gi horakpham sumangla gi kanaba magi social value mingzel ama wena aikoi society sanariba thabak thorom mayam sing asida asina phabani phatabani haibasi sumangla gi wahai amana wang kaya aikoi society da hangdana koya phapata punama sing nainabirga phobada chananaba punanaba honabada chobo mateng oiba adu mayam soi soidun seminar sing nainabirakini.
6 students' organizations have urged the relevant authorities to appoint a regular Vice-Chancellor for Dhanamandri University, DMU. During a press meet held today at DESAM's office located at Kwakaithil Junior High School, spokesperson for the 6 students' organization, Mayengbam Sumojit, maintained that DMU has been operating without a regular Vice-Chancellor for quite some time now. He stated that this situation has hindered the university's progress and poses a serious threat to students' future. He warned of a stern agitation if the demands are not addressed immediately and cautioned the minister and relevant authorities to bear the consequences.
Chancellor si Hana Nabagidamaka, Restar, Ubirambi, Dr. Nividita Larela Pumna, 10 July 2024, Topo, or Ramana Token Layrabni. To Asuk Sango, 2024, Loyado Hang Chitangai, see power the regular BC Makanbuki process, Asuk Sango, the Mamalo is manipulating after Siena, Magi Langak Sigi, Magi, BC Makanbuki, the Sino mechanism of the later Namdra. Nammi had a Suksang, the Mamas Lodi, the Sicarino. Natravana, Mayama, who don't know how to put the Gi, Magi, he had another one of the Sayan Navigation, Namdavigi, Masi Hapangam, the Gravis. Masi Leva Mianda, Nangasina, Tokontoi, Natana, Sigumba, Namsin the Nasum Tamba, Duga, Jindana, Landavasida, Home, Machine, the Mikan, Henavagi, Ponderi Highland was a Masin, Pukamanadaba, Duga, Sugumba, Matamatami, Yana Basum Nanga, Namsila Tamaga, Mahirushing the victim who in Magid home, say Makata Namona, the young Chatabatumani.
Khadi and Village Industries Board and BJP Manipur Pradesh active member Ilam Amit Kumar presented potato saplings and other crop sheets to 15 farmers from Lamlai Assembly constituency today. Speaking to media, Ilam Amit Kumar emphasized the importance of food abundancy during the ongoing conflict. He further highlighted that the crops were presented to the farmers as an initiative to achieve self-sufficiency in food production. Security forces recovered a large number of weapons from an area under the jurisdiction of Phagakchao Ikai Police Station in Bishnupur district today. Police reported that security forces found the weapons at Dumpy Hill range between Mingjang village and Wathalambi village today morning. Acting on intel report, the team comprising of 2nd Mahar Regiment, Manipur Police, 16 BSF Company and Bishnupur Commando conducted a search operation at the area. During the operation, the team recovered one 51 mortar, one 7.62 SLR rifle with magazine, two modified 7.62 sniper rifle, one modified grenade launcher, two single barrel, four IED weighing 7 kg, one 10-meter long flexible wire, one battery 336 hand grenade, one Baofeng wireless handset, one misfire mortar bomb, 2 empty mortar shell, 3 anti-riot stringer grenade, 1 stun shell, 2 live round 7.62 ammunition, 5.303 empty cases and 5 used 7.62 ammunition. The weapons have been handed over to Phagakchao Ikai Police Station for further investigations. Art of Living Manipur Kaching Yoga Association and Kaching District Administration jointly observed World Meditation Day during a program that was held at Indoor Stadium, Kaching today. The program was organized on the theme Inner Peace and Global Harmony. Representatives and inmates from Old Age Home Kaching, Kalyan Ashram, KMC, Yumbi Macha High School and Indoor Stadium Kaching attended the program, which focused on teaching the benefits of meditation, yoga and pranayama. The program also witnessed a guided meditation session. The 16th Annual Day celebration of Bright Foundation School at Thoubal was observed today at the school complex located at Thoubal Khetrilegai, Tongjin Makong. During the event, DC Thoubal Ahanthem Subhas inaugurated science laboratories and students' exhibition and distributed awards and memento to the winners. Cultural program and activities were also demonstrated by the students. Speaking on the event, DC Thoubal Ahanthem Subhas maintained that school authorities and parents would like to see the students and children's success in every field. He also advised the students to use their skills for the betterment of the society.
छात्र अमा ओइबगी ख्वाइदगी मरु ओइबा थबकसिदी आई लारिक तंबने हबसिदी सुगाव गौबिगनो हाइबा लारिक तंबने हाइबसिमा ख्वाइदगी मरु ओइबने लोबिरगा अतै सिसु लोइना टच तौगदबनी तौगदबदी यादे अदुगा मरु मपांग तिनबसिसु याम दरकार आवे अदुगा अखोइगी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कंपलसरीली मागी हाइजबा मंगोंदा लेरिबा मियोइ खुदिंगमकी मागी tongan ba talent la yeba nobody is akhoi perfect nate adu mi khudi maksisu imperfect oiba ngakta nate hariba mana haijari ba talent jagoi sai da khande thang da khande larik da khande sana ba da khande madugi lairiba talent singdo akhoi gi school asina develop tongna ba hotna biri dudi ai amukka hena nungai jayena ai khamjage.
A book titled Aigi Wari, written by renowned book translator Haikrujam Shamshunda, was released at DIPR Auditorium Hall in Nithe Park Jutek today. The story of the book is based on his life. The book, published by Cultural Forum Manipur, was released by President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Imphal.
Sokiba thogdok ya maduda aingonda thamoi sokiba guru mangna aingonda tobunam thakto madu aingonda yam sathina ningamdaba ma pokeba madugi thamoi sopudune adai haugalakbagi imagi thogdok kharane madu mayamdu punsilaga aingonda sokiba thogdok mayamjin maram moraga masigi larikse ai phongdo hogdoba yade aine hingi ngai sida masi matang ai phongdo hogdraga di aingonda yam ningamdaba am leirani haidana admain togduna phongjakhibani.
Now the sports news. In football, Manipur has sailed into the final of the ongoing 29th Senior Women's National Football Championship for Rajmata Jijabai Trophy 2024-25. In the semi-final match, which was played today at RKM Ashrama Ground in Chhattisgarh, Manipur defeated West Bengal by 3-0 to book its place in the final for the record 27 times. For Manipur, Dangmei Grace scored the first goal in 53rd minute, followed by two more goals from Naurim Priyanka in 55 minutes and Hemam Shilki in 79 minutes. Dangmei Grace was awarded Player of the Match. It may be mentioned that Manipur has won the Senior Women's National Football Championship for record 22nd time and is chasing to win for 23rd time. Manipur will play Odisha in the final on December 23rd. Meanwhile, Manipur men's team will take on West Bengal in one of the league match of the final round of Santosh Trophy. The match starts at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Inter-House Annual Sports and Literary Meet 2024-25 of Thampasana Girls Higher Secondary School Imphal kicked off at the school's campus today. The annual event was organized by the school's Office of the Organizing Committee. Renowned Judo Olympian and Arjuna awardee Likmabam Sushila, Judo National Best Coach awardee Deven Moirangthem, Principal of TG Higher Secondary School Dr. Benita Ilangbam and Vice Principal in charge M. Shakitombi attended the opening ceremony as guests. Speaking at the ceremony, Judoka Likmabam Sushila highlighted that the importance of having discipline by students and athletes. She further stated that the women play an important role in the society while also highlighting that women still continue to be oppressed by society. Likmabam Sushila maintained that despite the odds, women should work hard to be successful in life. The annual sports and literary event will be conducted till 24th December with 4 houses of the students competing in 15 sports category.
Koigi hajik discipline hai basina koigi career je mapung phana semak to ni discipline hai raga ozada khoirumba du tawbana tab aina noma da tawgada ba igi isagi routine masak khangna chatpa se si ji koi ko discipline hai jaduga maru oiri di nupi sine ba hena honaga dabse yum pala matungda angang leira matungda angang semak to ni society ma semak to ni nupi gi role je asuki matik chawre adubu nupi di yum palaga loire hai bo wakhalon china ko nupi gi koigi hona ningba koigi nupi gi thongna se 50% namadi namdhabi hai tare society ja adubu nakoi adung bai wakhalon laiba de kanna mi mo oidabi ya de hara hona ga dabani aduga akoigi maitai ga kuki ga tawriba lana sidana makoina phanam phattaba tawrasu nakoi gi career da nakoi na afaba successful oiba mi mamam oiraga nakoina laman khumge na khan ga daba laman khum bai di phattaba na kai dong da laman khum ga daba nate afaba thabak tawrakanda nakoina afaba mi mamam oirakanda adudu na hena laman khum saktoi ne go.
While speaking at the ceremony, Principal of TG Higher Secondary School, Dr. Benita Ilangbam, asserted that the education of the state will change once National Education Policy 2020 is fully implemented. She also highlighted the country's poor performance in the recent Olympics, attributing to the lack of integration between sports and academics, which forces athletes to begin their careers late. The annual sports and literary meet officially began with a torch relay from Kangla. The four houses also conducted a march past, followed by an oath-taking and flag-raising ceremony.
adun NEP 2020 si phajana implement to birapa matam dadi nasai gi koi Miss Sushila na haibi khiba de sir na haibi khiba school dagi hawan ningi haibato India gi handaki Paris ki performance ta yamna low oidibatu kari maram gi no na thigaluba matam da akoi gi sports si school dagi hodaba we start late theng na hoba any sports samasana gi haraga su due to many constraints akoi si young age agi China gu madadi yam pek na hawida na moi khoise discipline dedication adagi dia khoi gi as a team kamaina work to nika habasi sports ki events dagi loina bang learn to dori baneba.
Now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Centre, Lamphal state's maximum temperature was recorded at 17.4 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 93% in the morning and 73% in the evening today. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. CLP leader Okrami Bobi calls out on the Manipur government for not holding regular assembly sessions, alleges violation of Article 174 of Indian Constitution. MPCC President K. Megachandra says peace can be achieved through mutual understanding and not through force, expresses confidence of Congress coming to power in next election. National Commission for Women seeks status report from state government on Jiribam killing. Ambuko says those standing against unity may leave Manipur, but not a single inch of land will be conceded to them. And Manipur sails into the final of Senior Women National Football Championship for the record 27 times. Sets off final clash with Odisha on Monday. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, good night and stay safe.